Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Thermodynamically favorable means the cell potential is positive, and this question is quick once you match oxidation and reduction correctly from the table. A reaction is thermodynamically favorable when E cell is positive. So first identify which species gets reduced and which gets oxidized using the listed reduction potentials, not just the coefficients. For reaction C, nickel ions are reduced to nickel metal, while chromium solid is oxidized to chromium 3+, giving a positive cell potential, which is exactly what we want. A positive E cell corresponds to a spontaneous reaction, so reaction C is the thermodynamically favorable choice, and the coefficients do not change that sign. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, do not rush. Trust the given reduction potentials and check which direction makes E cell positive.